Hello, good morning, dear students. Greetings of the day. So, in Standard 5, chapter number 6 is going on weather and climate. So, in that, we have completed the definition of weather, the definition of climate, and the factors that influence climate. So, we have completed the first factor, the latitude or the distance from the equator. So that we have completed. And now in that first factor that affects the climate and how the distance from the equator, the area which is very situated near the equator, near the Tropic of Cancer, near the Tropic of Capricorn, it is very hot because the sun rays are directly fall on these three parallels, but in the North Pole and in the South Pole. Dear students, the North Pole and the South Pole, with the sun, the rays of the sun, it is slanting on the North Pole and in the South Pole. But the sun rays directly fall on the equator, then Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So in this area, the sun rays directly fall on this area, and that is why these areas, the countries that are included are there in between these three latitudes and parallels. They are very hot. The temperature is very hot. Atmosphere is very hot in these three areas. So the first factor that we have completed. Now the second topic is very important. The second factor, that is the altitude or height above the sea level. Altitudes. So whenever we are discussing about the altitude, we want to remember one must thing about the hill station, about the top of the mountain. Why the people wanted to go on top on the mountain during the summer season? Right now Corona is going on, so no one is going out. But before 2019, before 2020, during the summer vacation, all gone during the vacation on the hill station. Why? Because there is cold atmosphere. Some of the hill station of the Gujarat are Girnar, Mount Abu, Saputara. People are visiting Abu Ambaji. Then in India, Darjeeling, Nainital, Shimla, Kedarnath, Chardham, Jammu and Kashmir. Some of the top hill stations are there in the Middle India, in the East India, in every part of India, South India, Kerala, Uti, Kota, everywhere. Why people are going? Because the temperature is low, very low there. During the summer season, the average temperature is around 15 to 20 degrees during the summer season. But in winter, very low temperature is there. So I am going to share the screen, and through the sharing the screen, I am explaining about the second factor, altitude or height above the sea level, how they are affecting. I am sharing the screen. Just see here. Here you can see that I am going to annotate some of the top hill station that it will soon appear on your screen. It will soon there on your screen, dear students. Yes. So let me give you one, let me show you one picture. Let me show you one picture over here so you will better understand. Dear students, you can see it here on your screen. Here, just see how people are. This is the picture of Shimla during the winter season. Okay, this rays. Let me give you one more example over here. Here you can see that in this picture, this is also the picture of Darjeeling. So the rays of the sun hit the surface of the earth. This heated surface then hits the atmosphere. Places at higher altitudes, okay, these places are situated in the higher altitudes above the sea level, almost 2-3,000 feet above. So the surface, you can see here, the surface hits the earth and at the lower altitude. Hence the temperature at higher altitudes are lower than in the plains. And that's why people wanted to visit such kind of hill station. So this is reason why hill station are cooler than the plains in summer also. Some of the hill station that I am going to show, it is very cooler than the lower plains. Plains means the very vast area. And that's why, my dear students, can see it. Some of the pictures, higher altitudes on the top of the mountains. It is the sun rays, the heat is not there, temperature is low, very low on the top of the mountain. The heat of the sun rays hit the earth, and that's why the temperature of the lower altitude become very high, and that's why we are facing almost 40 to 45 degrees in our plains. But those who are situated near the top of the mountain, cities like Mount Abu, then Girnar, Saputara, top of the mountains. And that's why it's the picture of Mohali, Punjab. Okay, and people wanted to go there. Top of the mountain, it is the stadium, it is there. Cooler area, and that's why people wanted to visit Jammu and Kashmir also. Can see here, Jammu and Kashmir. Snowfall will be there. Here, can see it. Uncountable pictures are there. Shimla, it is the Shimla, top of the mountain. People are staying here also. Here also you can see it, top of the mountains. Hill station. If you have been a holiday in this hill, you would have noticed it gets cooler as you go up. Once you go up and up, the atmosphere will be cooler. Atmosphere will be decreased. It will cooler and goes cooler and cooler. Darjeeling, Nainital. See some of the pictures. Top of the mountains. Top of the mountains, there is one city situated. You have seen it in lots of movies. Lots of movies. Koi Mil Gaya. Just see, it is also one of the best place. That's why people are visiting this top of the mountains. Top of the mountains, because it is very cooler. Darjeeling at a height of 6,982 feet above the sea level is cooler than Delhi, which is at sea level. Okay, sea level. Sea level means our area. Ahmedabad, Surat, Baroda, Rajkot, sea level. Plains, it is situated at the plains. But some of the cities like Shimla, Nainital, Darjeeling, Ooty, Kota, they are very higher. They are situated at very higher altitude. These cities also, they are situated. Simla, this is the picture of Simla. It is situated as very higher altitude, and that's why the average temperature is around 10 degrees in 10 to 20 degrees in during the summer. Cooler areas that we are visiting. Okay, so that you have to understand why the hilly areas, mountain are there. Okay, next topic, next factor that I am going to discuss is the distance from the sea. Distance from the sea. Places near the sea, for example, Mumbai and Kolkata. I am sharing the screen. Dear students, I am sharing the screen so you will understand. Okay, Once again, I am sharing the screen. Mumbai and Kolkata. You can see it, my dear students. Here, we will have Mumbai city. It is situated here. Just see, it is very near to the sea. This area is totally covered with the sea. Here, covered with the sea. And here in Gujarat also, Mandvi, it is situated here. Dwarka, Porbandar, Somnath, Div, it is here. Then Khambat, it is here. Surat, Bharuch, okay. Then Navsari, Valsad. This area, it is very situated near the sea, and that's why Mumbai, it is here. Mumbai. I am going to zoom it, my dear students. I am going to zoom it so you will better understand. Mumbai. This is the actual image, satellite image of the Mumbai. So you will better understand. This is situated near the sea, which is situated near the sea, and you have visited several times this whole area, whole Mumbai city situated near the sea, and that's why the average temperature is very low because of this sea. You can see it here, Mumbai city. You can see the airport. This is the satellite image that I am going to show, that you are seeing right now. Whole Mumbai city. It is very situated near the sea. That's why it is there. Near the sea, dear students, and that is why it is not very cold or hot, because they are situated near the sea. This whole city, my dear students. Whole city, you can see it. And which is the another city? The Kolkata. Kolkata that I am going to show you. This is this actual real satellite image that I am showing to you right now through the screen sharing. And Kolkata, it is situated on the east of the India. It is situated here. I am going to zoom it so you will understand. Okay, Kolkata. It is also situated near the sea. You can see here are the area. This area situated near the Kolkata. It is situated here, Kolkata. Okay, and that's why the sea level. And that's why in this area they are facing not hot weather, not cold. Because of this, they are situated near the sea. Near the sea, my dear students. And another city, very cold, not they have a moderate climate, whereas those far away from the sea have extreme climate. They are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. Now, this area that Mumbai, Kolkata, it is here, and Mumbai, it is here. Can see Kolkata. It is Kolkata which is situated here, my dear students. And Kolkata, it is situated here. Okay. And the Maharashtra and Bombay, Mumbai, it is situated here. But here it is the Delhi, which is very far from the sea, which is very far from the sea. You can see the distance. It's almost 1000 kilometer, 1000 kilometer from 1 or 2000 kilometer. Okay, Delhi. It is very far from the sea. So, and that is why, my dear students, Delhi, that we are discussing right now, which is very far, my dear students. Delhi, situated here, you can see Delhi. And that's why they are facing very hot during the during the summer season and during the winter season. Extreme cold that they are facing, Delhi. Why? And only one reason. It is very far from the sea level. It is very far. Just see the distance. You can see what is the distance between Delhi. Delhi, it is situated here, and see the sea layer distance from the sea, and that's why they are facing hot temperature during the summer season and very cold in the winter season. So in summer, the land gets heated faster and warms the air above, and this warm air rises, making way for the cooler air from the sea to blow in. So this cool breeze coming from the sea cools and land near the coast. And winter, the sea loses heat slowly, therefore it remains warm here. So this warm air rises and blows toward the land and makes it warm. So this is the reason, my dear students. Okay, so that the two factors that we have completed in this lecture right now. It is about the altitude above or height above the sea level and the distance from the sea. Okay, I hope that you are getting, you have understood well. Okay.